Okay, I'm using NotebookLM, right, to actually find out how to use AI tools to create video. So I type in, right, my NotebookLM, and then I click on create new to create a new notebook. Now, to get from the internet, I click on discover sources, then I type in my question, like how to find the AI tool to do videos. Click submit. Then all the sources are found by the notebook itself. You click on it and then it will summarize for you. Okay, so I can ask, all these sources are there, then I ask the question, what are the open source tools for creating the videos using AI? You see immediately the answers come from all the sources that have already been found. Then I ask about, are there any DIY tools that I can use, right? Use Python to assemble the videos. It says no information. Okay, the main reason is because I did not ask it to look for open source information. So now I'm going to change. I'm going to discover more sources, right? So source for tutorials that allow a Python user to call AI video creation tools and make a video using AI. Let me know at least 5 of such tutorials. So now I search one more time and I get more sources, right? Okay, so these are open, right, DIY tools, right? So now you have a new set of additional set of information that includes all those tools, right, that make use that we can use Python to create videos using AI. This is how you can use NotebookLM to gather the tutorial resources so that you can use the notebook to learn how to generate videos using AI.